Okay, in this video, we're not fixing cars, but we are focusing on the 4 W's. The who, the why, the what, and the when. So who? Okay, Mr. Tall Guy. Okay, who are we? I'm Goos.
I'm Fahim.
And I'm a professional beatboxer.
Drop a beat.
Booty.
Bum chiki bum. So I have a 9-to-5 job, but this is all I actually want to do is work on cars, fix cars, modify cars, customize cars, anything cars. That's all I want to do till I'm 62.
Yeah, so I too have a 9 to 5 or 7 to 4. I don't know.
7 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go with that.
Love cars. Don't know much about how they work. Absolutely useless with mechanical. So hopefully this guy's gonna help me out. I drive a 1989 BMW E30.
And I drive a 2007 Audi TT.
Why? Why not? We all love cars. In the upcoming episodes, we're gonna add some secret sauce to it. See how much we can achieve and how much money we can save at the same time with our DIY mods. So guys, what you can expect in the next upcoming...
But we are going to be fitting interior stuff. We are going to be fitting exterior stuff. Wheels, front lips, side skirts. What do you have in store for us, Faye?
We're actually looking for a set of side skirts for the E30.
Yeah, we're making this whole video just to find E30 side skirts. So
that's
so comment
basically...
in the below section of the comments. In the next couple of videos, we will tackle the BMW E30, Fahim's pride and joy, or the hero of the channel. But there will be some Audi TT content coming your way, so stick around, like, subscribe, dog. Join us for the ride, stick around, leave a comment, and catch us in the next one.
And catch us in the next one.
And catch us in the next one.
We will be interviewing as a team. We're here to f shit up.